Let's take a look at how the delinquent rent process can be automated. The delinquency process is started on the 2nd of the month for any tenants that did not pay on time on the 1st. Much of the delinquency process can be automated by using templates, conditional logic, and the delinquent rent data that is synced from your property management software. The delinquency process can be broken down into 2 active stages, 2 ideal outcomes, and 2 negative outcomes. The first active stage is the grace period stage, which typically lasts up to the 5th of the month. If your company does not provide a grace period, this stage and the late rent stage could be combined into one stage. As you can see, the grace period stage has a series of automated emails and text messages. These can include a merge tag with the tenant's total delinquent rent due and a link to the tenant's portal to make it easy for them to pay. If the tenant pays during the grace period, the process will automatically update to the payment during grace period stage, which has a step to then add a note about their late payment to their record. This automatic update is powered by conditional logic based on the delinquent rent data synced from your property management software. If the tenant hasn't paid by the end of the grace period, the process moves automatically to the late rent stage. The automatic emails and texts here mention any late charges that they have incurred. Just like before, if they pay at any time during this stage, the process will automatically update to the payment after grace period stage, which includes a task to add the tenant's delinquency to their record. If they do not pay by this point, there is a task to call them to discuss their options to move forward, either with a payment plan or with an eviction. Based on the option you select in the instructions for this task, the process will then move forward to the correct stage, payment plan or eviction. The payment plan stage has a task to add details and additional tasks about the payment plan, while the eviction stage has a task to start the eviction process. So there you have it. That's how to automate and track the delinquency process so you don't have to track down delinquent rent manually every month. And remember that this template is completely customizable, so make it fit your process.